Hey guys, it's Jase at Jase Outdoors. This is video 5 of the Turkey Talk series. We're going to just add a little bit of flair, a little bit of realism to your calling. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. So this video is, we're going to get a little more advanced, adding a lot of realism to your calling. And this really, I think, is probably the best advice I think I could give you on calling. It's adding the realism. And personally, I think it's what improved my success rate over the last couple years. It's just adding all those distinct little sounds that those hens make. You know, again, this is what turkeys do. This is how they talk to each other. So they know what they're saying or what they sound like. And, you know, yeah, you could go out there and just yelp. If you can do a yelp and do it well, you can call in turkeys and kill them. That's the beauty of it. But to consistently kill turkeys, I think it's just adding all that little flair, the whines, the whistles, the clucks in between, the putts, just everything that a hen does. Again, I can't purr, so I don't really throw that in there too much. But basically, I mean, this is what I'm talking about. So those are a lot of little things I like to do to break up the calling. I think it just brings so much realism to the call. I'm not even sure where to begin with this, but it's basically, we'll take the yelp and you just throw in a cut in the middle of it. That's one way to break it up. A lot of times I'll start out my calling, especially if I'm trying to get a turkey to shot gobble. I'll cut real hard like twice and then go right into the yelps. And then listen. Cut a little harder and then call. I'm just basically trying to locate one. Make them shot gobble. So it's a yelp. I also like to do one, I call it a hiccup. I don't know if there's a real term for it, but I call it a hiccup. It's basically start out, it's like 2 cuts, a yelp, a cut, and then back into your yelp. So it's like so basically if I do that in slow motion, that's kind of what it'd be like. 2 cuts, a yelp, and then a cut, and then into your yelps. I know it's really confusing, I'll be honest, it took me a while to figure it out. So it's so again. And then just speed it up. I'll just do a couple times over and over so you can kind of hear it. So that's what at least I call a hiccup. Again, it's just, to me, adding those little sounds really make a big difference. The whines are a lot harder to do if you can key. I don't know that I'm going to do a key video because that's more of a fall hunt, and really that is just, I don't even know how to begin to explain that. So it's just back pressure, filling your lungs with air, finding that high tone. So just throw that in the middle. It's very quiet. If you have a hen real close, you know, around the decoys, you might hear her. They're very, very subtle, very soft. Another thing I like to do there is just, you know, adding more flair. It's more like a little pop. Slow motion. Then speed it up. Well guys, I hope that helps. Again, just keep practicing. If I didn't make something clear to you, please just leave a comment. I will respond to you, try to help you out the best I can. Just keep practicing. Focus more on your yelps. When you get your yelps down, then, you know, try to throw in this other stuff, and I think you will see as well that you will definitely improve on calling in your turkeys. Thanks for watching, guys.